Hello, welcome to my how to fix the blinking light here on the Iclever wireless remote keyboard. I have a G-box and it stopped working. I didn't know what to do. I contacted the seller. The seller was kind enough to look up, just call the customer support for me, I guess, and he was very patient with me. Replied very fast. But this is what you need to do. It's pretty simple. What you need to do, let me put this down because it's hard to do with one hand. I'm recording with the other. You need to hold the F1 key right there and turn on the keyboard. Then let it go and it will start flashing like crazy. Then you need to go ahead and plug in your receiver. Let's plug this in. Sorry for the camera angle. Once it's plugged in, it's recognized, just like that. So if you're having trouble with the Iclever wireless keyboard, that is your quick fix. It worked. So please don't send it back. This keyboard is a very good keyboard for like your home entertainment. Okay? Alright guys, hope this helped. Later.